Hi graphic designers, Professor Brew here. Just a quick note about editing. What if you get a document handed to you by somebody else and you try and try and try over and over and over again and you can't edit anything? Good question. Chances are that the person that handed the document off to you went to Object and Lock, and they locked everything on there. So all you need to do when you get that document, if you have that problem, if you go to Object, Unlock All on Spread, then you should be able to edit anything in the document. If you want to edit something in the master pages, first thing you want to do is go right to this little gray line right here above your pages icons and below the master pages, and just click on it until you get that double arrow, and then you can pull and reveal all of the master pages. Then you need to go to the master pages if it's something like a folio or a page number that you need to edit, and you go to the master pages, or I'm sorry, to the parent pages, and edit it in the parent pages. So I hope that was helpful, and now I'm going to go back and continue making my parent pages for each one of my chapters. See ya in next video, video number 8.